Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks. I was just kind of playing around with a font today, trying to make it a little bit fancier to give it some, like there's almost light beam on it or something. So I took that same font. I just thought I'd show you how I do. I'm going to go up to Object Shaping and weld it. And then I'm going to take the Smart Fill tool and just fill it in with any color. You don't really have to, but then if you take the Interactive Fill tool, go from top to bottom, then we can add a yellow up top. We could add an orange at the bottom, and you could play around with that for till the cows come home. But anyway, then you already have that. Now we're going to add a little interior bling to it. I like drawing with the 3-point curve line, and I'm just going to go from like right there to right there. I'm trying to stay on the outside. I'm going to go ahead and draw all my lines first on the 3 letters, and then we'll grab the shape tool and we'll manipulate them. So I'm just going to do these first 3 letters. Because then grab the shape tool and you can manipulate it quite a bit more. Get it closer to the edge of the line and kind of mimic, like we can move that a little closer. Now I do have, when you're doing this, you want to have snap to object off, or it'll try to start snapping to those lines. And I'm not taking a lot of time on this. You can kind of get the idea of what it's going to look like, and you can adjust it after you do what we're going to do. With the shape tool, you have much more control. Let's call that good. And because the fonts all kind of group together, we can group and gather those 4 objects. Go to the artistic media tool and take one that has 2 points, like that, and then just click on the line. Now a lot of times you have to go up or down. Now you can see it's black. We can right click and make it white. Kind of adds to it. And then you can still take your shape tool and click on that line and go, well, that's too close to the edge. It's not really too close to the edge, but that needs to be moved over. You can see it now, what it's going to look like and how well and good a job you did. Just add a little bling to it. Make it, especially if you were printing this on a blue T-shirt like I had on the other one. The dark blue T-shirt. Go to Object Order, back a page. It would just, if you did that all the way across the letters, and they don't have to be blue. I mean, they don't have to. They don't have to be white. They don't really look white, but they are. Anyway, just playing around. Hope that helped. Thank you for watching.